Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming at you with another daily work from home job lead. If you are looking to get into the financial field at all and find a company that you can grow with and step up the ladder and exceed with, this is for you. So we will not waste any time and just dive on in today. PSCU Credit Union is hiring dispute representatives to work remotely from home. Now, this is for my United States folks only. They are hiring more than one person. It looks like they are ramping up for their dispute representative. I am pretty sure this is like a call center environment because they have training classes that start on November 7th of 2022. So you have time to get your application in. They are offering a 5-week training session. The training schedule will be 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So they pay for all your training. They do, because of the work that they do and the information that they hold personal data on their customers. They do provide you a computer that you will be working with. But they are looking for people to apply critical thinking skills and identify and resolve inquiries originating from members and credit unions to determine the best course of action and to resolve the case within established departmental timeframes. You'll manage volume work queues and reassign and escalate cases where appropriate. You'll make sure you're staying within the federal and state regulations. You'll have to make outbound calls to members of credit unions to resolve the cases, including verifying, interpreting, and requesting information about a dispute. You'll have to provide professional written and verbal responses to the customers and also perform any chargeback or dispute resolution processing, applying the credit union's internal and external policies and procedures. Now, disputes are where you see charges on your debit card, bank account, credit card that you didn't make and you don't agree with, and you're trying to get them to reverse those charges. It could also mean a chargeback, saying you bought something online from a company, the company took the money but never delivered the product, and now they're not responding to you. You can also do disputes through your bank for that. So these are customers that are saying charges are not valid. Now, they require you to have a high school diploma or equivalent, but no college degree is required. And they also require you to have 2 years of customer service experience. If you have previous experience in payments or fraud, that is preferred, but again, not required. They do want someone who can demonstrate behaviors of excellent innovation, leadership, and passion, someone who can understand financial settlements, somebody who has the ability to interact with all levels of management, staff, and credit union members, and someone who has the ability to exercise discretion and good judgment. Now, they do offer a benefit package such as health, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. Now, as far as pay goes, this position pays anywhere from $34,000 a year all the way up to $45,333 a year. And of course, pay is dependent on location and experience. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.